Hi, you would like to enable or disable Find My device on your Samsung Galaxy S24 FE? So, as a first step, open Settings and then scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Google. Click on it and here go to the tab which is named All Services. And scroll down until you'll find a button which is named Find My Device. Here is it how it looks and it's located on the tab Personal and Device Safety. So by clicking on this tab here you can see this slider which is responsible for this feature. And like this it's enabled, you'll be able to see more settings for it, and to disable it click on it once more and it will look like this. Also, if you would like to know how to use Find My Device, here you would need to download My Device app in Google Play Store, and then you would be able to see your device's location, and if you have lost it you can log into your Google account, download this application, and then you can remotely turn on some loud sounds which will help you find your device. And that's it. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.